plumber. Maybe I should cry, maybe I should laugh, but oh my goodness, there's a leak in the bath. That's not too bad, you may say to me, but you have not had the plumber to tea. For the plumber has been 3 long months in my house. You may understand I have a small grouse. No, Julia, do not play this down. Do not minimise. It's more accurate to state this brings tears to my eyes. As when I am tired, just starting to chill, out pops the plumber, exercising his drill. And when I am busy with the work of the day, well, the plumber, he just hides away. Saturday, Sunday, bank holiday, Monday to Friday night, the plumber, he knows how to give you a fright. Ha ha! Here I am with my hammer and nail, readily poised to make you wail. You can bet your life in the winter chill that this here plumber will be here still. To the outside loo I must run in my nightie. How did he ever get invited? The morale is never to listen to anyone's advice. If your plumber's name is you'd better think twice.